northeastern Shelby County, east central Jefferson County,
Hey.
southwestern St. Clair County until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Leeds, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Trusto, Bell City, Leeds, Moody, Odenville, Margaret, Shopsup, Grand River, Bald Rock, Logan Martin Lake, Vanderveer, Barber Motorsports Park, Harrisburg, Branchville, St. Clair County Airport, Wanstow, Chula Vista, Camp Winnetasca, and Cropwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson,